Hello and welcome everyone and welcome to this back-to-back vlog. And the purpose for me coming again after shooting out one vlog is that the institute is up with the foundation notification as well. So yes, all those foundation students who have their examination in September 2020, for them the guidelines are out. And I'm going to read this notification for all of you. And yes, I'm also reading it for the first time. So let's read it together and let's explore how has the institute decided to take the online examination of foundation students. So this is notification dated 4th of August 2020. It says that the Institute of Cost Accountants of India has decided to conduct foundation examination of June 2020 in home-based online mode due to pandemic novel corona, to ensure interest of all students, all stakeholders, and in particular candidates or students, all through online mode using mobile, laptop, desktop, tab from their home. So you can use any of the four mediums: mobile, laptop, desktop, or tab. Then it says a schedule has been given for the examination. Guys, the schedule is that on Sunday, 6th of September, first and second paper, that is economics and accounting, will happen at 10 to 12. 2 hours paper will be there. Then 2 to 4, guys, 2 hours break in between. From 12 to 2 you have your lunch break. 2 to 4 you will have another session which will comprise of two papers, paper number 3 and 4. 3 is law, 4 is fundamental of business mathematics. Now hear out this information very, very carefully. You will have to attempt 100 questions in one session. 100 questions will be divided equally between two subjects. So 50 questions for paper 1, 50 questions for paper 2. You have to attempt total 100 questions. Each question is of 2 marks. So total 200 marks for the first session. I repeat, 50 questions per subject, which means 100 questions per schedule, per session, which means 200 marks per session. So 10 to 12 will be held for 200 marks, 50 questions of economics, 50 questions of accounting, 100 questions you have to attempt. So guys, 2 hours, which means 120 minutes divided by 100 questions. For each question you have only 1 minute, 1.2 minute. You have to make sure that within 1.2 minute you answer the question, or better hop on to the next one. Okay, sir. So negative marking has not been indicated anywhere. So I presume that negative marking is not there unless and until it is specified in the subsequent part of the notification. Because if negative marking is there, then it will be a challenge for you. So let's see if it's there or not. Each paper will carry 100 marks, 50 multiple choice questions. Each question will carry 2 marks. Each session will be a total of 100 multiple choice questions of 200 marks. All candidates are encouraged to appear in foundation examination through online mode. Now this is very important. However, if any candidate fails to appear in home-based online examination, opt-out fees adjustment will be done automatically for the next term of examination and no separate request is required. So institute is very clear that if you are lacking any resources, which I have raised this point earlier also with all of you. If you lack any resources, if you cannot have internet connectivity or cannot have any electronic equipment like mobile phone, like tab, like laptop at your disposal, guys, you can opt out. Yes, a little unfair for you because the students who would have these facilities will be able to hop on to this opportunity, but that's how it is, that you can opt out and you can directly go on to the next term which will be announced soon. And it says that candidates are requested to appear in the examination using the login credentials which will be sent to you in short while. If you are disconnected during the examination, you can reappear in the examination. After connecting it again, the exam will be valid. That is the very important point. So if you get disconnected, then don't worry. Log in again and finish rest of the examination. You will start from where you have ended. Probable date of publication of result will be announced soon, and the candidates who will be completing all the conditions for appearing in the examination will be allowed to appear for the examination. All right, so not a very detailed notification, it's a brief notification, but it contains majorly all the parts which we were concerned about. Yes, you can say, sir, unfair to us because we are not able to carry on with the kind of resources which we have. But guys, so be it. COVID is there, so we cannot afford to actually mess up with face-to-face classes, face-to-face examination, or offline based examination. So it's a good step indeed for the institute to launch such a initiative, because I believe at least smartphones everyone has in today's world. Even if you don't have it, you can borrow it from your neighborhood or anywhere. And if that is also not possible, then don't worry, guys. In December, obviously, exam will happen again. Most likely, December will be the next term. So don't worry. But yes, notification is out. Start working now. 6th September is the date. Almost 1 month to go. 4 subjects, entirely MCQ based paper. So no need to mugify all the theory paper. No need to ratify the answers of accounts and those lengthy annexures and all. Nothing of that sort to be done. It's a very objective based approach which you will be handling. So yes, all the very best and happy studying.